What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber. In this video, I have a mystery bag of goodies from That Daily Deal. So this is their most popular mystery bag that they do throughout the year. This one is specifically for Christmas, and it's like in a Christmas bag, which is really super cool. Now, this one costs $50, so it is more expensive than their other mystery bags or boxes that they do. But from my understanding, it's 100% worth it. I'm so super excited about it. I wanted to buy more, but I couldn't because they limited me to just one. I probably would have got at least two, but you know what? I'm super excited I was able to get the one. So without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. Okay, guys, so my hair looks all crazy and stuff because I just got back from the school. I'm helping them with their Santa's workshop this year, and I took my hair out before I filmed, and I was like, I don't have the strength to put it back in, so this is what you get. The natural look today. All right, guys, nobody cares about that. Here's the bag. Oh my gosh, how cute is the bag? You guys, the bag is just darling. It's huge. It's got these little straps on it, so it's definitely something that I can use for whatever I want to use it for. Although I did just get makeup on it. Awesome. So anyways, let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Is it like, how do I open it? Oh my goodness. You gotta have some strength. They put it really super tight. Okay. Wow, you guys. Okay. Hopefully it stays up here as I unbox it, right? Okay, let's try to grab something. This goes to like something that needs batteries or whatever. Okay, so I have a couple of those in there. I don't know what that's about. Okay, let's start with this. Hemp and Rose Soothing Peel-Off Mask. We're starting off awesome. Spascriptions. So guys, this Spascriptions company is really pushing their products pretty hard through this company, That Daily Deal company. And you know what? I've tried several of the products because I get other mystery bags from this company. You guys haven't seen me on bag one in a while, but I just haven't had the time. I'll get back to that next year. Most likely starting in January. But nonetheless, the products are really good. So that's cool. All right, let's move on to whatever else I can go. You guys, they got it like, oh my goodness. How am I going to get this stuff out of here so that you guys can like see it? I don't know what this is. It's got a warranty. Oh, this is the thing that, okay, here's the case that has those instructions that I was just showing you guys. So let's open it up. What is it? I still don't know what it is, you guys. It's got a remote and stuff. Oh, this is the plug. So is this the product? Or is this just a bunch of plugs? What is it, you guys? Is this a remote? What is this? I don't know what it is. Oh, wireless. It's got a wireless signal thing on there. Okay. What is it for, you guys? Power essentials. Okay. Don't short circuit the battery as this can cause heat and fire. Don't store battery in hot areas or dispose it in fire. Okay. So I guess it's like a charging station, like a portable charging station or something. I don't know, guys. I'm going to have to look into this, but okay. I don't really know anything about it. It looks like I can charge stuff in the car. Like there's a little battery thing and all that kind of stuff. Or battery. What is that called? Lighter thing. So I really don't know what this is, you guys. So there's that. I don't know. I probably will be happy to have it when I know what it is. But they really shove this stuff in here. What is this? Alien Wars. Be ready for the invasion. So what do? It's a family game. Okay, so I got this Alien Wars game. I really don't know what this is either, you guys. And this is so terrible. I'm sure this stuff is super cool and most people probably know what this is, but, you know, I don't. But that's okay. We're going to set that aside. Okay, what do we got? News at 11. Make up stories, break the news. Okay, so we have another game. I don't know that I'm really excited about this one, but we'll have to see. I do like to play games and stuff, so it's just a matter of getting other people to play games with you. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm running out of room already, you guys, because I have other stuff in here. So this should be interesting. Okay, anti-aging retinol forehead mask. I've tried this from this company. This company sent this to me before in one of my mystery bags. Precision Beauty is the name of the brand for this one, though. It's not the same as that Spascriptions. What else do we got? Professor Pengelly's Putty. Thermoreactive Sunset Red. So it's some kind of putty. Age is 8+. So these will be great things for my duck pond, you guys. So I'll probably put out a lot of the stuff that you guys are seeing that's for kids and things in my duck pond. What is going on here? This thing wants to tip over now. Is it? Oh, stop it, you guys. It's like a purse that has a poppet on there. How cute is that, right? That is really cute. I feel something inside the little purse, so let's open it up and see what's going on in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, this looks like this is a fidget bag because it has all kinds of little fidget stuff in there. Like this is the little marble that you move like back and forth like that. And then it's got these other things that you kind of like squeeze and stuff like that. So this looks like it's just a fidget bag of goodies, which is really super cool. And I know that my sister's kids love this kind of thing. So I wish I had 2 of them in here, but I only have the one. So, you know, that's okay. That's really cute though. Ooh, it's like a big, oh, it's like a Yeti, right? Look at that. It's like, what is this? Like the grill of a car or something like that? I don't know. It's kind of cool. Looks like something you would give to a guy, right? But yeah, it's like a Yeti cup. This is really nice, you guys. I don't know what the ounce is, but it's pretty big. Who's the brand? Boletter Brands. Double wall, vacuum sealed, 18 by 8. Wow, that's a big guy, right? I might give that to Noah's dad. That's really cool. That's definitely very nice. What else do we got? So we got some NASA cards. Are they just regular cards? Yeah, just regular playing cards, regular NASA playing cards. So we got those in there. I'll give those to my Noah. I'll probably put them in the stocking because he likes cards and stuff. Okay, let's get to this one. Oh, I already got this. Ugh. I already got this in another. Ugh. Okay, here it is. This is cool. And I'm happy to have it and all of that stuff. But I think I already got one that I'm going to give to him for Christmas. So now I have another one. Maybe I'll send that in for his gift exchange at school. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. What is this? Bladeless neck fan. A neck fan? Okay. I mean, I could give it to his dad. I don't know if he would want this or not because they're like headphones or whatever. And then they have like a fan. I don't know. That's kind of weird. So, you know, there's that. I knew I was going to get some off the wall stuff because that's what this company does. And that's totally fine. So the last thing that's in here, aside from this awesome bag, you guys, how fun is this? I love this bag. You guys love the bag. Okay, definitely keeping the bag for myself. Okay. It looks like it has a mustache on it, you guys. Oh, I just got lipstick on it. Stop. Oh, I should be able to get that off with a Clorox wipe. But it's a mustache pillow. That's all it is, you guys. A mustache pillow with my lipstick on the back of it. I don't know if you guys are even going to see it. But it definitely has my lipstick on the back of it. So I'm going to have to wipe that off with... But yeah. So that's the final thing I got in there. I mean, that's fine. It's really soft. It feels like it's high quality, but it's not like I wish I had a mustache pillow kind of thing. You know what I mean? All right, guys. So that wraps up my mystery bag of goodies. Do you guys think this was worth 50 bucks? I paid 50 bucks for it. I don't know what the value is for some of this stuff, like the neck fan and the whatever this is, this thing. I don't know what the value for this stuff is. I think this thing is actually going to be really cool and something that I'm glad that I have as soon as I figure out how it all works and all that kind of stuff. So overall, I definitely am not disappointed. And the cup is also cool too. That's what I was going to show you guys, but I dropped it. The cup was really cool. And then the fidget bag. So all that stuff's actually worth a good bit of money. So you know what? I'm not mad at this at all. I think it was a great buy and I would definitely buy another one again. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. I do have a link to that Daily Deal website in the description box below. I get a daily text with whatever the deal is for the day, and they send some really cool stuff. I find myself buying from them quite often. I don't do videos about everything that I buy. I suppose I could do that in the future, just to let you guys know about it and where you can find the product. If you don't want to buy from that Daily Deal, they do let you know the company that sent the product. So maybe I'll do something like that in 2023. We'll have to see. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I'm Amber, and in today's video, I have a mystery bag of goodies from That Daily Deal. So they say this is their most popular bag that they do every year. Try again. Now this one's a little bit more expensive than some of the other mystery type boxes and bags that they do. So, I mean, hold on. I'm losing my breath and stuff. Come on. But here's the thing, guys. This thing was $50. So I wanted to get more, but I couldn't. Wait, I couldn't get more because they only allowed you to get one. That's right. Okay, try it